Welcome to today's session. We'll be looking at there is and there are. If we want to say that something exists or doesn't exist somewhere or at some time, we often use there plus be. There is and there are. We use there is for all uncountable nouns and singular nouns. There is oil in the pan. There is a fly in my soup. Fly is a singular countable noun, so we use there is. Oil is uncountable, so we also use there is. There are, we use it for countable plural nouns. There are 20 students in my class. Students is a countable noun, so we use there are. But what is a countable noun? Well, it is a noun that can be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apples. Apple is countable. So we can say there are 4 apples here. What is an uncountable noun? Well, it is a noun that cannot be counted. Like water. We cannot count water, so we say there is water in the bowl. There is water in the bowl. Practice makes perfect. Now let's make practice perfect. Part 1. Fill the spaces with is or are. So you have to fill in these spaces with the correct helping verb with there. For example, number 1, there. 2 cats in my garden. Number 2, there. Milk in the fridge. And number 3, there a problem with your bicycle. Remember to look to see whether it's countable or uncountable. And also see if it's a singular countable. Because if it's a singular countable, we use there is. Please write your answers below for 1, 2, and 3. A. There are 2 bottles of water on the table. B. There are 3 liters of oil in the cupboard. This is part 2. Why did we use there are in the following sentences? Why did we use there are for A? And why did we use there are for B? Please write your answers in the comments below.